There is a department, si DILG, I tasked him to make a serious study of the Isabong. The recommendation is on my table now. So pagdating doon, babasahin ko, and maybe by Monday, malaman natin kung ituloy natin o hindi. Ako, kung mayroon lang ganun, susugal ako. But there is apparently a social problem evolving sa pagpatakbo nitong Isabong. So, we have a problem there. And we want to, well, be fair to everybody. But then again, we must study seriously or take into consideration yung social issues. Marami kasi Isabong, ang mga tao, lahat, nagsusugal na, pati mga bata, yung iba nagsasangla na ng propiedad. Sabi ko, I do not know if this is true. So sabi ko kay Secretary Anyo, pag-aralan mo na, conduct a survey because you have a far-reaching powers in the provinces, yung mga DILG, pati city and province. Kaya mong kunin yung feedback. So, nandyan na ngayon at by Monday, we would know. Pag-aralan ko yan ngayong gabi, I will read it all over again. And I would like to see the dimension of it all.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.